Imagine unboxing a brand new iPad, its shimmering aluminum finish, razor-thin bezels, and pixel-dense display glowing like a portal to endless possibilities. Yet, just 2 weeks later, that once magic device becomes another touchscreen bill for unfinished tasks and lackluster Netflix binges. Swiping with clammy fingertips at a cafe table feels akin to chiseling stone tablets by candlelight. Let's reignite that spark and carefully curate the ultimate collection of invaluable iPad accessories available today. These accessories can turn that flat glass rectangle into a hub for creativity, productivity, and unfiltered joy. First, let's address a common issue. Many people use the iPad like an oversized phone, merely tapping through apps. They end up thumb typing and pinch zooming endlessly, and then complain their laptop replacement fails to replace anything. Keyboards feel cramped, sketches shake, video calls slope at chin height, and the lack of ports frustrates users. As a result, frustration boils over, and a $1,200 investment ends up as an overpriced streaming remote. Our goal is to eliminate that waste by selecting gear that deserves a spot in your bag. Gear that justifies every dollar spent by breaking down ergonomic, creative, and logistical barriers, allowing the tablet to streamline everything you love to do. Let's kick off with the Apple Pencil Pro. No longer is it just a tool for pointing. The 2025 refresh includes haptic squeeze gestures that reveal radial color wheels, along with a gyroscopic barrel sensor for realistic calligraphy. The pencil boasts latency so low that it feels as though you're painting directly within the pixels. Illustrators rave about the new double tap feature, now mapped 3 times for brush size, color picker, or eraser. Math tutors celebrate Scribble's enhanced latex handwriting recognition, goodbye jagged integrals, hello flawless vectors. However, value is subjective, so let's introduce the Logitech Crayon 2025 edition. Priced at half, it offers excellent tilt support, a 7-hour battery with rapid charging, 30 minutes gains you an additional 2 hours, and a flat design that won't roll off your lecture desk. Students annotate PDFs, planners through GoodNotes, and chefs tape recipe-covered iPads to the fridge without fearing a costly stylus drop. What's next? Posture. Endless downward gazing harms necks and hampers creativity. Enter the Zugu Alpha Folio case, featuring an 8-angle magnetic kickstand. This design mimics a camping chair, locking at 5-degree increments from a drafting angle to a teleprompter view. The rugged fiberglass ribs provide military-grade drop protection, which means one butterfingered slip at TSA won't shatter your liquid retina display. It even comes with a stealth pocket to store the Pencil Pro, sparing you the embarrassment of patting yourself down before class. For budget-conscious users, the ESR Shift case transforms from folio to origami stand. Magnets align quicker than Lego blocks. A detachable translucent back lightens the pack when you need to sketch in bed. Solid stands adjust angles, but keyboards unlock productivity. Here comes the Magic Keyboard 2025 M3, with scissor switches featuring 1.3mm travel, distinct clicks, and a 14-key function row that delivers brightness and mission control shortcuts. Its expansive glass trackpad provides clicks edge to edge, with an additional USB-C pass-through that channels 65 watts, preventing a power cable from monopolizing the sole iPad port. The real innovation is the floating cantilever hinge. Raise the screen to eye level, snap it into place magnetically, and start using Stage Manager. You can juggle 4 apps seamlessly: Spreadsheets, Slack, and Procreate, without ever touching the glass. Despite its $349 price tag feeling like a gut punch, mechanical keyboard enthusiasts will gravitate towards the Keychron K3 Pro low-profile board. It features hot swappable optical switches with satisfying clicks, Bluetooth 5.3 for pairing with 3 devices, and a pull-out aluminum stand that props the iPad at 110 degrees. All this for under $120. Prefer silent reds for library environments or tactile browns for cafe concealment? Add custom PBT caps to prevent wear after marathon writing sessions. Keyboards liberate your workflow, yet I/O bottlenecks can pose challenges. Enter the Anker 563 USB-C hub, a pocket dock with significant power. It features 10 gigabits per second USB-A, 4K 120Hz HDMI 2.1 for external displays, and 100-watt pass-through power. SD and micro SD slots access 300 MB RAW bursts for LumaFusion, while a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet jack trumps hotel Wi-Fi. Creators stow it behind monitors, and road warriors attach it beneath airplane tables. For a sleeker desk setup, the Satechi Stand and Hub 2-in-1 hides an NVMe enclosure, allowing you to install 4 TB beneath the iPad. Say goodbye to dangling SSD cables as you edit 6K footage. Next, let's tackle your power needs. The Belkin Boost Charge Pro 2-in-1 power bank kickstand packs 20,000 mAh in a shell thinner than a paperback. It provides 20W USB-C plus a 15W MagSafe puck for your iPhone. Plus, it features a tiered leg that supports the iPad for binge watching while it charges, allowing creators to live-stream art tutorials without finding a wall socket. Desk dwellers benefit from the Ugreen Nexode 140W GAN charger. It features 3 ports, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, intelligently balancing power to charge your MacBook, iPad, and headphones simultaneously. Audio quality also matters. Studio-grade headphones like the AirPods Max 2 showcase a carbon fiber yoke, lighter clamping force, and UWB lossless streaming. They offer adaptive ANC to mute ambient sounds while waiting for boarding calls. The more economical Sony WH-1000XM6, however, comes with a 40-hour battery and autoplay, pause sensors, which activate when you set down the Apple Pencil. If you prefer earbuds, consider the Beats Fit Pro 2. They come with wing tips to keep them secure during workouts, with personalized spatial audio for mixing in Logic Pro, plus IPX5 sweatproofing for use in the gym. Gamers can enhance their experience with the Backbone One USB-C 2025 edition, designed to snugly fit the iPad mini. This accessory features haptic joysticks and clickable buttons, with a pass-through port for uninterrupted gameplay during intense sessions. Now, let's elevate beyond basic lap use. The 12 South Hover bar tower reaches up to 5 feet, securing the iPad for FaceTime cooking classes or workouts. Its weighted base ensures stability during your most enthusiastic burpees. Nighttime bookworms will appreciate the above-tech adjustable gooseneck, as it snakes over pillows to eliminate wrist strain during manga marathons. Tighten one screw, and rotate 360 degrees for binge perfection. Digital artists swear by the Wacom 113 Touch. It serves as a portable display and a matte drawing surface when connected via the hub, achieving dual-screen heaven. When it comes to visual protection, not all screen protectors are created equal. The paper-like 3.0 nanodot offers excellent texture while maintaining OLED blacks. Its nanoscopic etching scatters glare while keeping color accuracy intact. Sketchers love how their pencil glides like 2B graphite, while note-takers enjoy the quieter taps that won't disturb lectures. Pair that with the MOSISO magnetic privacy filter for those working on sensitive projects in public. You can quickly drop or lift it, ensuring only you see the screen. On to storage solutions. The Samsung T9 4TB portable SSD offers 2000 megabytes per second via USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, protected by a silicone-ribbed shell. It easily connects through the Satechi hub, allowing quick access to your ProRes footage. For photographers, the Angelbird SE Dual CF Express Reader effortlessly transfers 12K RED RAW files. Videographers seeking smooth pans can utilize the DJI Osmo Mobile 7, which clamps your iPhone for wireless sidecar monitoring with the iPad, enabling you to direct while viewing focus peaking in larger format. Let's not ignore on-the-go protection. The Tomtoc Defender A14 sleeve features corner armor padding and a waterproof zipper. Its side pockets accommodate your stylus, cables, and other essentials within molded EVA shells. Commuters can toss it in bags confidently, even during drizzly days. If zoom is your lifeline, add the Logitech Litra Beam X LED bar to the hover bar. It connects via Bluetooth to adjust color temperature, ensuring clients see confidence instead of shadows. Want tactile shortcuts? The TourBox Elite Bluetooth dial can sit beside the Magic Keyboard. You can tailor it to manage brush sizes in Procreate and timeline jogs in LumaFusion, with haptic feedback accompanying each adjustment to keep you focused on your work. Reading also receives an update with the remarkable Link Folio mod, allowing audible annotation of Kindle pages on screen. It enables a distraction-free method for researchers needing to quote sources quickly. For those seeking cross-device synergy, Apple's Vision Pro Collab Frame adapter attaches seamlessly to the iPad. This transforms it into a spatial canvas, allowing stylus navigation within Vision OS. Architects can manipulate CAD sketches in mid-air and drop adjustments directly into Shaper 3D. Yet, none of these tools will matter if your Wi-Fi connection drags. Grab the Netgear Nighthawk M7 5G hotspot, equipped with 8x8 MIMO antennas and Wi-Fi 7. It delivers 1 gigabit per second Ethernet speeds for seamless streaming. Finally, prioritize good cable management with color-coded Anker Powerline 3 flow cords that resist tangles and come with Velcro ties. They deliver 240 watts of USB Circa PD to support tomorrow's M4 Max chips. To wrap it all up, imagine yourself in a Skybridge lounge. You're jotting down last-minute storyboards with an Apple Pencil, clacking out the final script notes on your Magic Keyboard. The Anker hub connects to a 120Hz OLED display while your AirPods Max block out jet engine noise, and the Belkin kickstand recharges your iPad. All of this harmonizes effortlessly. Deadlines shift, creativity surges, and that iPad you once dubbed merely a larger phone transforms into a full production powerhouse. In conclusion, accessories only hold value when they eliminate frictions, collapse hardware barriers, and give time back to you. Every item mentioned addresses real challenges: speed, posture, storage, sound, power, or comfort. Feel free to mix and match to suit your budget, as the genuine return on investment isn't based on specs, but on momentum. Are you ready to enhance your workflow? Check the description, click the links, test and tweak, then share what gear has transformed your experience. This isn't just a haul, it's a call to unlock the full potential of the glass rectangle you already own. Your adventure begins the moment you select the first accessory. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech insights and real talk from TechWave 65.